That's in the base. So not multi-modal, then the base is multi-test.
Not both. You can use different modalities to put them in the back. You can interact. Like
yes, but if you tell to the commission multi-modal interface, they understand not that it is multimedia interface. You have multiple media that you can set. They understand that it's multimodal. So you are more expert than me, Alberto, which means that you are using different
that can capture the emotional information that the user is expressed with a particular focus on mobile platform. Next. So the status is that task 4.2 takes care of extracting from the audio material the emotional values and placing in the valence arousal plane. Task 5.2 has task of doing the same operation from the gestures of the user. In order to do this mapping, we associate the happiness part of the space that is associated with high valence and high arousal to large amount of gestures with fast, fluent, and regular movement, while anger tends to be always high energy, lot of movement, but with the irregular movement. There is no fluidity here. Sadness and tenderness are associated with a low energy, with a calm user, with slow motion, but irregular or fluent movements. Other descriptors that can be inserted into this extraction phase are the periodicity of gestures, the symmetry of the gestures, the amount of occupation of the space. But as a first approximation, in these 5 months, we have mapped the balance with the fluidity and arousal with the amount of motion, and this is what the demo will show. For the next year of the project, we are going on refining the emotion space by adding more descriptors. For instance, power, dominance, and the one we showed earlier about symmetry and periodicity. Then we will